It's pretty much blue skies above, right? But
not today.
Clouds on the horizon.
Yeah.
Not today, literally. But we're coming off the second quarter of earnings, 25% earnings growth, 9.5% revenue growth for S&P 500 companies. We've got 4.2% GDP growth. So, I mean, what's really not to love in terms of the current conditions? But then we've got lots of things on the radar in terms of things that could derail that.
I agree. And by the way, let's bring up those futures again. Futures are higher once again today. It doesn't matter, it seems, what happens, whether it's trade, whether it's tariffs, whether it's technology hearings, whether it's Trump, whether it's whatever. Markets seem to just want to go higher. Yep. But you said, what do we worry about? We got record debt levels. We got higher interest rates and more higher interest rates coming.
Yep.
We've got, of course, in the middle of a trade fight. We don't know if there's going to be a new NAFTA. There are reasons to worry. The market doesn't seem to care.
Emerging market stress and the fact that
I just ran out of time.
Political developments in Italy over the past 24 hours have evolved in a way that's more threatening to Eurozone stability. So, I mean, we're not raging bulls here. I mean, we're pretty neutral in terms of our overall equity allocation, very modest overweights. We've been skewed, toward the U.S. and away from international markets. That's something that's worked unbelievably well. Maybe almost too well, where you've got the U.S. up 10+% and other major markets down to varying degrees.
But see, so isn't that the opportunity? I mean, I was told a long time ago, somebody was like, Brian, buy low and sell high, and then he walked away. I don't even know who that man was, right? Okay. Aren't we supposed to buy low? Shouldn't we be looking at opportunities that are getting beat up? Everyone's pouring their money into America, which is sending it higher because guess what? Everyone's pouring. It's like a self-fulfilling cycle up.
Absolutely.
Shouldn't we be looking for the stuff everyone's ignoring right now?
Yeah, so that's where the dilemma is. We think we may rotate toward international markets, sometime in the near future.
You're looking at it.
But we're not there quite yet. I do think if trade tensions ratchet down, if the dollar stops, if the dollar stabilizes and maybe goes down a bit, that we could see international markets play catch up here in the fourth quarter.
But right now the U.S. looks good. Not great, but it looks pretty good so far still.
It looks great, except for the fact that a lot of good news is in the price.
Yeah, that's it.